Hey guys, today we're making a microwave pizza. It doesn't sound that appetizing, but it's yummy in my tummy. To get started, add 3 tablespoons of self-rising flour, add a pinch of salt, and 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Finally, add 2 teaspoons of milk. Make sure to mix it very well. You could bake it in a mug, but I prefer to put it in a small bowl like this. Just take it out of the mug and spread it around. Add 1 tablespoon of your typical pizza sauce and spread it around the dough's surface. For toppings, you could add whatever you'd like. For me, I'd add some mozzarella cheese, a generous amount of it, and I'd sprinkle some oregano on the top of it, and that's it, voila! Place it in the microwave for 2 minutes, and make sure to keep an eye on it, cause times may vary from a microwave to another.